In this video, I will show you how to get a Cash App card so you can use your Cash App balance for purchases in stores, online, and anywhere Visa is accepted. Now, before getting started, make sure you have created and verified your Cash App account. Once your account is ready, open Cash App. Then go to the home screen. Tap the Card tab at the top corner. On the Card page, click on Get Free Cash App Card to begin the setup process. Now, Cash App will display several card designs, including free and premium options. So select the design you want, then continue to the next step. You will also have the option to personalize your card, but depending on the available features, you can add a custom signature, including emojis, or choose whether to display your cash tag on the front of the card. If you don't want to customize it, you can continue with the default design. Next, confirm your name and shipping address. Then review the order details before submitting your request. Once the order is completed, Cash App will create a virtual card that you can start using right away while you wait for your physical card to arrive in the mail. Then, after receiving your Cash App card, you can activate it directly in the app and use it for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals where available, or add it to a supported digital wallet for contactless payments. The Cash App card also gives you access to additional features within the app, including eligible discounts and offers through Cash App. Now, since the card is linked directly to your Cash App balance, any purchases you make will be deducted from your available funds. You can always manage your card, lock or unlock it, and view your recent transactions directly from the Card tab whenever you need to. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.